Product photography. What product photography is about and why it will be in high demand these days after coronavirus outbreak. I'm Koloskov and I'm inviting you to my online workshop about product photography. Why product photography? If you look around, you will see that many businesses that are facing losses because of the quarantine, because of all these stay in shelter techniques that were applied. All the businesses now understand that they have to have online operations as a backup plan, at least as a backup plan, but if possible, as a part of their operation, regardless of what kind of business it is. They need product photography. And you can be one of rare people who knows product photography. So what we're going to do on this workshop? We're going to talk about business of product photography. I'm going to share my experience. I'm going to share experience of professional photographers that I know personally, that I interviewed over these years as a part of Photigy School of Photography Professional Club program. I'm going to tell you what kind of revenue you can expect, what kind of market, how to enter it, well, everything that I know and possible to share on this workshop. Then we're going to talk about gear, studio, everything that you need to have in a physical world to run the business of product photography. What kind of cameras, lighting, what equipment to invest your money, where to start, what the best options, what the money-saving options. All this will be covered on the workshop. Lighting techniques. I'm going to show you a little bit of the secrets that makes product photography, well, the most complex type of photography for many people, but well, I'm going to show you what will be possible to fit in those 2 hours. We're also going to have co-host Artem Pissarevskiy. He'll be teaching you the post-production, some basic technique, the most effective techniques of cleaning and making your shots ready for the client. And of course, questions and answers. Everything will be answered. It will be a real-time webinar type of communication where you will have a chat, and I'll be able to answer any questions that you may have, as well as Artem will be doing the same. The webinar is completely free. We're inviting you to join us. Just sign up. Make sure to check your mailbox to confirm link and put in your calendar the date of the webinar. It's an awesome world of product photography, and I think it's right time for you to enter it. See you on the webinar.